Hello, my name is Maria and I'm originally from Bulgaria. At the moment I live in Amsterdam in the Netherlands. I started studying in February 2015 the Master Degree in Business Administration online. The best part of studying with the University of Liverpool is the flexibility that it offers. I definitely feel a sense of belonging to the University of Liverpool. The first day I came to Liverpool for my graduation, I couldn't wait to find the red brick building and touch the red brick. This is something that made me realize at that point how much I feel as a part of this community. It's an amazing experience being in Liverpool, and the way the graduation ceremony feels is amazing, and I would definitely recommend that every online student tries to attend.